Hi, my name is Edward, and currently I'm on year 3 in CBE program. For the next academic year, I'll be standing as the co-chairperson of Anata. Now, allow me to walk you through the introductory section of Anata. What is Anata itself? Anata is an interest group in SCBE to provide a community for people who have an interest in data science or data analytics. First of all, you might be wondering, what is data? For me, data is an alternative way for humans to communicate with computers and also with other humans. By inputting numbers, tables, this value will be processed as data and computers can understand what we instruct them. Our language, which serves as our basic conversation method with humans, can also be processed as data, which could further be analyzed by the computer. An example of this would be Google Translate. Next, what are the applications of data? In our industries, in biomedical industries, machine learning is currently being used to diagnose certain diseases such as cancers and tumors. The use of machine learning is the task of researchers to differentiate between the cancer cells and then the normal cells. Other than that, data can be used to identify an abnormal behavior which indicates an activity of hackers. An example of this would be email spamming or bank scammers. The last one, data is also used to teach AI to learn from its environment. And the learning process will be carried out by the AI itself without the supervision of humans. For the third example, I have an interesting video for you to watch. Please enjoy.
On Earth, the simple rules of natural selection and competition led to the evolution of increasingly intelligent life forms. Today, we ask if comparably simple rules and multi-agent competition can also lead to intelligent behavior in a new virtual world. These agents are playing hide and seek. These agents have just begun learning, but they've already learned to chase and run away. This is a hard world for a hider who has only learned to flee. However, after training in millions of rounds of hide and seek, the hiders find a solution. The hiders learn to use rudimentary tools to their advantage. By grabbing and locking these blocks, they can create their own shelter. The seekers are locked in place for a brief period at the start of the game, giving hiders a chance to prepare. Even so, the hiders must learn to collaborate, accomplishing tasks that would be impossible for any single individual. The hiders are not the only ones who can learn to use tools. After many generations of failing to break into the shelter, the seekers learn to jump over obstacles using ramps. However, after many millions of rounds of having their shelter breached, the hiders learn to take away the primary tool the seekers have at their disposal. Note that we did not explicitly the challenges the other team faces, creating a new pressure to adapt. We've also put these agents into a more open-ended environment, randomizing the object.
Okay, interesting, isn't it? Well, I hope you find out that the video could be interesting and that could spark your interest in learning data more. Next, I will walk you briefly about the history of Anata. Anata was started in 2018 and it served to carry out data workshop for SCBE students, especially since SCBE is not tech-related degrees such as probably computer science or triple E. If it gives a certain importance for us to briefly introduce them about how data works, and if they want to pursue career in data science, that would be good. We also do an external workshops by inviting industrial speakers or professionals to talk about the application of data in their industries. And also, we look for external competitions or projects that our members can join or probably can discuss to further apply it in our projects or in our daily works. Next, the purpose and aim of Anata is to promote the awareness of data science learning in our related industries. We pursue this purpose because we see that data science has become a mainstream topic in our daily in our daily life. And in our industry itself, in biomedical industry or probably chemical industries, data science is used more and more often than ever. Such as I have mentioned before, that machine learning can be used to diagnose certain medical disease. Next, we want to introduce basic Python and data analytics skills that may be good for your future career, and it could enhance your knowledge as well. We also aim to provide project discussion and competitions for more experienced members to apply their knowledge into real world problems. These are some of the examples of our past events. As you can see, we conducted many workshops in past, such as a machine learning workshops and data structures workshop. In the top right corner, you can see that we also invite professionals working in data industries to give a brief insight about how they work in their industries and what are they pursuing. Last, we would like to thank you for hearing our introductory section. And if you feel interested in joining Anata, you can sign up by joining in the link below on the WhatsApp channel, or you can scan the QR code. And if you have any questions related to Anata, you can contact me more in the description below. Lastly, on behalf of Anata, we would gladly support you if you feel interested in joining us more, or probably it's also okay if you want to participate in one of our workshops first before decided to join Anata or not. Thank you, and hopefully we can meet in further workshops. Thank you.